How to set up a Discord server for your community. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Discord server for your community. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open the Discord app. Click the plus icon on the left sidebar, then select Create My Own. Once you tap on it, then choose whether it's for you and friends or a larger community. Name your server and add an icon if you want. You'll start with a general text and voice channel. Click the plus next to text channels or voice channels to create new ones for topics like announcements, memes, or hangouts. Create categories to keep things clean. For example, make a community category with channels like introductions or rules. Now, click your server name, and then tap on Invite to invite people and share the invite link with your followers, friends, or audience. That's all for the video. With just a few steps, your Discord server can become a fun, organized hub for your entire community. If you liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next one.